Alright, welcome to this lesson, and also we have been asked to find dy dx of these two functions using the product rule. So let's do that quickly. The first one says that y is equal to ln root of x squared multiplied by sine of x. So all we have to do is pick our f of x and g of x. So we have our f of x to be either of these functions. So I will pick ln root of x squared here, and my g of x will be the second part, which is my sine of x. So here I will have my f prime of x will be, for ln function, the formula is u prime all over u. So we have u prime all over u, where u is what you have inside of the bracket. So u is root of x squared, and you know root of x squared is same thing as saying x squared to the power of half. So half cancel half, so you simply have x. So u is simply x, so u prime is 1 all over x. So here we go to g prime of x will be equal to cosine of x. So let's compile our product rule. So we have our dy dx will be, the rule says that differentiate the first function, which is our f of x, that is 1 over x, and keep the second function. Add it to keep the first function, ln root of x squared, multiplied by the second function derivative, which is a cosine of x. So that is what the formula says, and this is the answer for the first question. And the second question says y is equal to logarithm of 5x squared plus 2 base e multiplied by 3x minus 1. So let us pick our f of x here and also our g of x. So our f of x here will be either of the function. So I'll pick log of 5x squared plus 2 base e, and my g of x will be 3x minus 1. So here f prime of x will be, the formula is u prime all over u, then ln e, where e is the base of the log. So we have, what is our u prime? U prime here is 10x all over u itself, which is 5x squared plus 2, then ln e, which is e here. So here we have g prime of x will be simply 3. So the formula says dy dx says that we should define the first function. So the formula says f prime of x, keep the second function, plus keep the first function and get the g prime of the second function. So let's do this. So we have f prime here is what, 10x all over 5x squared plus 2 ln e multiplied by g of x, which is 3x minus 1, plus keep f of x now, that is log of e 5x squared plus 2 multiplied by g prime, which is simply what, 3. So this is the answer for the second question. Thank you, and see you in the next video.